Jump, everybody. I am doing a power half hour here at the condo we are staying in right now. So first I'm going to start with a load of laundry. I figured I might be able to switch laundry during my power half hour. So if I can get a couple loads in, that would be even better. So just throwing in some clothes here first, and then I'm going to head over to our kitchen/dining room table. So I'm just going to clear off the clutter that I have on the table here. Just going to corral all of our supplements together. We like to leave them out so we don't forget about them. It's just something we do. I don't know. So I'm just going to clear the table off with things from breakfast, and then I'm going to spray the table down with the Thieves Household Cleaner. Now, I was so excited. Of course, I would bring the Thieves Household Cleaner with me because that's just what I do. But I didn't realize that the kitchen table was going to be glass. So that's even better because it leaves glass and mirrors and stuff streak-free. So that's like super great. So just sprayed it on, took paper towels, and just, wiped it off. Super basic, super easy. Don't have to rinse it or anything. So now I'm going to go into the kitchen and clean up the dishes from breakfast this morning. And it's kind of hard to see there how many dishes that we have, but we have a good fair amount. And actually some of this is from the night before too. It's not all from breakfast today, but super easy. This is actually a really big washer in this condo, so that actually makes life a lot easier too. I can fit a whole lot of stuff in there. So just giving everything that's in the sink a quick rinse, nothing fancy. I'm not washing it or anything, but just making sure everything has the food particles rinsed off. And then I'm also going to hand wash some of the pots and pans that actually won't fit in the dishwasher. So I do have one pan that will fit, so I'm just going to rinse it off. There's no reason for me to actually hand wash that since it will actually fit in there. But outside of that, I'm just going to hand wash. You can kind of see there's a pan on the left-hand side of the screen. So I can hand wash that and then wash out the sink as well. This is one of those white sinks. And the white sinks, I feel, hold on to any kind of stains. If you've had fruit or anything just kind of sitting in there, it can kind of stain it a little bit. So I'm just going to take a little bit of baking soda and sprinkle that into the white sink as well with just a little scrubby brush and just scrub that around and just kind of clean it out. It's very fly lady to get your sink nice and clean and shiny. I'm not used to the white sink. At home, I have a stainless steel sink, which is a little bit easier to get stains off of, but it makes it look nice. I mean, I don't know. I think it looks really good. So anyway, just going to get everything rinsed out there, put away. And then I'm going to take my Thieves Cleaner again, and I'm just going to spray that all over the sink area, up to the faucet and all around, and just grab a paper towel and just wipe it up. That's, again, what I love about the Thieves Cleaner is you don't have to rinse it off, with the Clorox wipes, the Lysol wipes. It recommends that you do a water rinse after you do your washing, which is a little scary when you think about it. How many people rinse their counters with water after cleaning with Lysol? I never did. I don't know. I didn't realize I had to do that. So with this, you get to eliminate that step, which is great. So I'm just going to go ahead and empty the trash out there. Super fast, super easy. And then just replace all of the kitchen liners I've got with a big trash bag there. And then I'm going to replace the bathroom liners with Publix bags. I don't have to go super fancy on that. Just kind of recycle those and put those in the bathrooms too. So then after that is all complete, believe it or not, I can switch to laundry, which is so nice. I figured I would be able to do that. So I'm just going to put the clothes from the washer into the dryer. This whole stacked concept is super duper convenient. So I don't have to do much more than bend over and stand up. And then I'm just going to, once that starts drying, I'm going to put in the towels from the bathroom and from the kitchen and just get those going too. I like to do towels, every few days at least. Sometimes I'll throw in the sheets with those too, but I just washed our sheets, so I don't have to do that. So now I'm going to head on over to the bedroom and get the bed made. And I do believe that will take me to the end of my power half hour. Got a lot done, actually. Not too bad. So this bed here, just getting everything tucked in, putting the comforter up and putting the pillows out. And that is that. That brings me to 30 minutes. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if it inspired you to do a power half hour as well. And now I am going to go out and enjoy the beach because we are on the beach. So when you're on the beach, you go enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. And I'll see you all very soon. Take care.